How to switch accounts on Chrome mobile. Hello and welcome back to our channel, everybody. In today's video, we are going to walk you through a very quick tutorial that we can follow together if we want to switch our account on YouTube or let's say Chrome mobile. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So open up Chrome, Google Chrome on your phone, and once we open it up, we can just go over and look out for the profile option in the top right corner within your Chrome. Once we click on profile here, we'll be finding different options. Now, if we want to switch, we should be directly find an option called show more accounts that we can click on. And we can just go over and select another account from the list. And that will basically change or switch to that account. If you do not see that option yet, that means that you need to add one first. So once you tap on the profile picture icon, you can look out for the add account option and go ahead and sign in with another Google account. And that way you should be able to switch. Apart from that, alternative method is we can tap on the three dot in Chrome in the top right and select the option of settings. And here we can look out for the option of manage Google account or something like that, or we can tap on a Google account at the top as well and go ahead and try switching in between another account. So tap on manage your Google account and you can switch to another account that way. And if you switch your account, it will change the bookmark, the history, save password if the sync is on, and make sure that the sync is enabled if you want your data. But this is how you do it on your mobile if you want to switch accounts. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.